Quick tip of the day. Let's say you're out and you're shooting an event or a wedding, and the problem that you may run into is that you have almost no control over the lighting, or you're put in a position where the lighting is horrible and you're unable to, for some reason, get your white balance correct in camera on the day of the event. There is a number of different ways that Final Cut can help you with this problem once it has occurred. So I'm going to show you really simply how I would go about adjusting this clip. So the first thing I would do is I look at this clip and I scroll through here on the timeline. I can tell that the stabilization is a little bit off on this clip. So the first thing I would do would be to address the stabilization issue. So I would go down here under your video controls, and I would just select stabilization just to stabilize the clip. Just to be clear, this is a 4K clip on a 1080p timeline. You may be shooting 4K, 8K, 6K, 5.6, depending on whatever, but your deliverable may be something different. But most importantly, you want to keep that clip as stable as possible. So try using a tripod or a gimbal if it's available to you. So now that we've stabilized our clip, the other thing that we need to concern ourselves with is the white balance, because we can see that this clip is extremely warm. So what we want to do here is select your clip, and then I want you to press Option Command B, and it should auto white balance the clip. But that may be a little bit too much. So what you want to do is go back up to where you see Balance Color and select here, choose White Balance. Your picker will already be selected. So whatever in this scene that you know to be white or gray, you can just drag and hold, and you'll get your white balance. Now you can sample from a number of different places depending on how much of the white balance effect you want to apply. So I think because her dress is a little eggshell and I could tell that the background is truly white, that's where I would select this here on the background, and that'll give us our best white balance selection. And then at that point, the only thing left to do with this image is to go in and do your final color grading and things like that. So whatever else you have planned for this image. So hopefully, guys, this was a helpful tip. If so, and you gain something from it, subscribe, comment, and like this video. And I will catch you guys in the next video. So look forward to my next 2-minute tip. It's been your boy Rome. Peace. I'm out.